We all know that I make AI anime for a living, and I'm here to test out every single platform and see how it stacks up against anime. And for this one, we are testing Top View's Canvas to see if we can get AI anime shots with consistent characters. And now if you tried making AI anime, you know consistent characters is a huge problem. And the greatest thing about Top View Canvas is it uses Seedance 2.5, which lets you generate up to 30 seconds of shots. So let's get in here to see how it works and to see how easy it is to use. So Top View Canvas isn't a prompt box, it's a workspace with an AI video agent living in it. Here, as you can see, it's an open board. The agent that runs the whole thing is on the right side, where you can plan scenes, design shots, generate the assets, assemble the cut. So I'm gonna type in a premise here that I just created just for this video. A courier who delivers a letter between two cities at war. I'm gonna let the agent think and kind of walk me through this process. My goal for this video is to see what this whole system can do if I knew nothing about AI anime. And the premise is 2 sentences, that's it. And it doesn't start generating the video, it starts planning. Scene breakdown shots, the visual style, who's in the frame, what each beat is doing. And as you can see, it's thinking, doing all the thought for you. So you think of it as having an LLM right in your workspace. And then once you read over the materials and you agree with everything, you can just type in okay. And it will continue on to the next step. But make sure you're okay with everything first. Now it says it's locking in that 90s cell shading tone. And now we are actually using the canvas here. It's going ahead and generating the kind of look of everything. And there you go. This is what's going to set the whole film that we're about to make. And if you like this, you can keep it. If you don't, then you can make adjustments by asking it to. So I said this is fine. Let's move on to the scene cards. Now it's generating the scene cards. And you can do all this manually, but I am using their agent and having them take control of the canvas so I can see the power of this whole thing. For example, it is generating my courier or my character, and it's generating all the things that you would need in order to put together. And on the left-hand side, if you wanted to move this place around, you just hit the selector tool and you hit the hand, or the select tool to either go from moving the panels around to moving through the workspace. Okay, so now we have our locations here of where we're gonna actually be throughout the whole film, and we have our descriptions of it. Now I'm talking to the agent. Let's go to the direct scene card creation. So now it's thinking through that. And after you're okay with the scene cards, you can tell it to generate the videos. It's going to give you the description of what each video is going to be. And if you're okay with that, you just hit okay, and then you start generating your shots. And as you can see here, everything is connected. So when you start dragging one panel, you can see where that panel is connected to something else. So you are building kind of the whole scene from each individual panel to create the video itself. Okay, now we have our 3 videos here that are generated. Let's see what they look like. Okay, I'm gonna try to save a little bit of the best for last. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit the timeline part of this, and we are going to take our videos and just drag them over. And from here, we can edit just like if it was any other editor. Putting together the clips, cutting up the moments we don't want. We can zoom in, we can zoom out, we can do almost anything you would need. I'm chopping up some moments here because I think we don't need that first beer coming in. It kind of doesn't make any sense. She's in the middle of a war zone. There's no time to drink. And then I think I'm going to delete a couple things here, kind of move some things around. Her horse is going to help her out. That's going to be pretty cool. She's going to give her letter to the woman. Then from here, we can export the video by hitting export in the upper right-hand corner. And it's going to render everything together. And then I'm going to show you what that looks like at the end. But before I do, there's an offer running. Ultra Annual gets 60 days of unlimited Seedance 2.5 and 2.0 generations, plus a full year of unlimited WAN 3.0 Minimax H3 and GPT Image 2. After that window, CDance 2.5 runs at 12 cents a second. That once your workflow is dialed in, your skills are saved. Every single node that you used previously is always there. You don't need to rebuild it over and over and over, which means episode 2 doesn't start from a blank canvas. Same character, same reference, same styles, same shot logic. It's just a new scene. That's how you get an actual series instead of just a pile of one-off shots that are in a vague rhythm. More AI anime workflows coming soon. And if you're actually interested in seeing an anime in a perfect 90s styles that I created, click this video right here.